tomorrow we're gonna be at Tidewater Tea Land. We're going back to the park. Let's see if one's sitting over there by that. Come on now. All right, there it is. There he is. He just hit that, guys. Come on, eat it up, boy. Eat it up. He moving it, guys. Load this rod tip up, son. He moving that. Just want to make sure you have it. I ain't missing a fish. We don't get skunked at the crib, guys. Thug bass, y'all should know better. Bossum. Man, we got one. No skunks at the house, guys. It don't work like that. See how that locked him in on the side of his mouth? Locked him in good, guys. Bass lives matter. That's why I'm gonna throw him back. I'm a nut, guys, so don't worry about me. I locked him in good on the side of his mouth. I had to get there. There was one sitting over there. We're gonna get him. Damn, I locked him in good. Yeah, let's just put this one back. Let go.